Sapadere Canyon Tour, a day trip to Alanya's hidden nature. Paradise, looking for an experience beyond the beach in Alanya? The Sapadere Canyon Tour is exactly the adventure you need. Hidden at the foothills of the Taurus Mountains, just 40 kilometers from the city, this canyon is one of the Mediterranean's most impressive nature routes, with ice-cold waterfalls, crystal-clear natural pools and rock walls rising hundreds of meters high. The journey in open-top jeeps, a cultural stop in the traditional Sapadere Village, and the Dwarves Cave with its colorful stalactites, all in a single day. A Sapadere Canyon trip is an experience that captivates nature lovers, photography enthusiasts, and families alike, and deserves the top spot on your list of things to do in Alanya. 2. Tour details: departure, morning pickup from your hotel in open-top jeeps drive, 30 to 40-minute scenic ride through the Taurus Mountains route, banana and citrus orchards, Dwarves Cave, Sapadere Village, Sapadere Canyon Trail, 750-meter wooden and steel walkway, 12+ waterfalls, swimming, option to swim in ice-cold natural pools, Dwarves Cave, the Rainbow Cave filled with colorful stalactites and stalagmites, Sapadere Village, Silk Workshop, historic mosque and local life lunch, hot meal with local flavors by the Riverside Drinks, included with lunch, extra drinks at additional cost. Total duration, approximately 5 hours. Languages: Turkish, English, Russian. What awaits you on this tour? 12 waterfalls and ice-cold natural pools. Paragraph. Along the canyon's 750-meter trail, over 12 waterfalls greet you. The cascades between the rocks become especially striking towards the end of the canyon. Swimming in the natural pools is possible. The water is ice-cold even in midsummer, which makes it incredibly refreshing on a hot day. Crystal clear water where you can see the bottom, moss-covered rocks, and the sound of the falls. You feel completely disconnected from the city. Jeep adventure and Taurus Mountain views. Paragraph. The Alanya Sapadere Canyon Tour is no ordinary outing. The open-top Jeep ride is an experience in itself. Winding through the Taurus Mountains, you pass citrus orchards, banana plantations, and local villages. On some tours, water fights break out between the jeeps. Expect plenty of laughter. Sapadere Village, 500 years of living history. Paragraph. The village stop before the canyon adds a cultural dimension. In Sapadere Village, with over 500 years of history, you can watch traditional silkworm breeding, visit the centuries-old mosque, and taste fresh guzleme, an authentic experience that opens a window onto real Turkish village life. Who is it suitable for? Families, safe wooden platforms, easy trail, educational and fun for children. Couples, a romantic escape into nature. Waterfall photos become holiday highlights. Groups of friends. Jeep adventure, water fights and natural pool swimming, perfect for an energetic day. Nature photographers, 12+ waterfalls, mossy rocks, canyon walls, and crystal water. Every frame is ready for Instagram. All ages. No intense physical activity required. Walkways are flat and safe. Swimming is optional.